In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do breakout rooms in Zoom. By the end, you'll have the breakout rooms feature enabled so you can split participants into smaller groups during your meetings for discussions, activities, or focused collaboration. First, open your web browser and go to Zoom's website. If you're not already signed in, log into your Zoom account. We'll be using the web portal because this is where the breakout rooms setting lives. Once you're in, look to the left side of the page and click My Account. This takes you to your personal dashboard where you can manage preferences that affect all of your meetings. Next, head into Settings. This is where Zoom stores most of the meeting controls. Depending on your account type, these options can be quite extensive, so don't worry if you don't see what you need right away. There's a handy search bar at the top of the settings page. Use it to quickly find what you're looking for. Type Breakout into the search bar. Zoom will filter the results and jump you directly to the breakout room setting. If you prefer to browse, you'll typically find it under the Meetings section, often in an advanced subsection. Either way, you're in the right place when you see the breakout room option and a toggle switch next to it. Now, turn breakout room on by switching the toggle to the on position. When enabled, Zoom lets the host create separate rooms and move participants into them during a live meeting. This is great for workshops, training sessions, and classes where small group interaction makes a difference. If your toggle appears locked or grayed out, that usually means your organization controls this setting at the admin level. In that case, you'll need to ask your Zoom admin to enable it for your account. After turning it on, click Save. This confirms the change and applies it to your future meetings. Without saving, the setting may not stick, so it's an important final step. To confirm everything worked, start a meeting later, and look for the Breakout Rooms button on the meeting toolbar. If you see it, you're all set. A quick tip: make sure your participants are running a current version of the Zoom desktop or mobile app so they can join rooms smoothly. Also, remember that as the host, you control when to open and close rooms and can hop between them to check in. That's it. You've successfully enabled breakout rooms in Zoom. Thanks for watching, and enjoy running more interactive, organized meetings.